Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 22nd, 2024, featuring a Mercury at greatest elongation. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:19 p.m. Mercury appears at greatest elongation tonight, appearing farthest from the Sun. Since the planet is closer to the Sun than Earth, and revolves considerably faster, the speedy world seems to wiggle from western evening sky to eastern morning sky. Sky watchers never see it opposite the Sun like the Moon and the outer planets, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the dim bodies. Mercury's appearances always occur during twilight. The planet's visibility is affected by long periods of twilight during the summer and a low angle the solar system makes with the horizon during summer and autumn evenings. The best views of the planet occur when the solar system makes high angles with the horizon during the spring months. The low angles and long durations of twilight are complicated by Mercury's diminishing brightness as it approaches evening greatest elongation. For example, for this year, Mercury was at greatest elongation on March 24. At sunset it was nearly 18 degrees above the horizon, setting 98 minutes after nightfall, near the end of evening twilight. It was easily visible at 45 minutes after sundown. The planet made its best evening appearance of the year. This evening, Mercury is 12 degrees above the horizon at sundown. With the longer evening twilight, it is visible with a binocular during brighter evening light and sets during mid-twilight, 69 minutes after sundown. At the November 16th event, the planet is less than 9 degrees above the horizon, setting 63 minutes after the Sun. While evening twilight lasts only 96 minutes, the planet is too low when the sky is dark enough of easy visibility. Again, it is a binocular object. Use a binocular to see it tonight after sundown. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, the bright moon, 99% illuminated, is about 15 degrees above the southwest horizon and over 35 degrees to Saturn's lower right, less than halfway up in the south. The moon is approaching the ringed wonder. For sky watchers in the Americas, the moon brackets the planet on the mornings of the 24th and 25th, and evenings of the 23rd and 24th. It passes directly across the sight line for sky watchers in southeastern Asia, occulting or eclipsing the planet. On the 24th across the sky, this morning's moonlight washes over the dimmer stars. Farther eastward, Mars continues to cut the gap to slower-moving Jupiter. This is occurring in the eastern sky. Bright Jupiter, over 25 degrees up in the east, is 5.4 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left and 11.6 degrees to dimmer Mars' lower left. Mars marches eastward, 4.8 degrees to Alcyone's lower left, the Pleiades' brightest star. The red planet passed this star yesterday. Mars, Uranus, and the Pleiades are in the same binocular field of view, although Uranus might be a challenge to see. This concludes in a day or so, depending on the binocular's characteristics. Mars is 4.5 degrees to Uranus lower left. The more distant planet is about the same brightness as 13 Tauri and 14 Tauri. See the charts in the online article. Mars is in the same field of view with the Pleiades until the 27th. Slow-moving Uranus is with the Pleiades until 2027. Orion continues to reappear in the eastern morning sky below the bright planet pair. Bellatrix, one of the shoulders, is over 8 degrees above the horizon, while Betelgeuse is less than 4 degrees above the horizon. In the evening sky, Venus continues a slow climb into the western evening sky, setting during bright twilight at 46 minutes after sundown. At greatest elongation tonight, Mercury is about 5 degrees up in the west at the time Venus sets, dimming each night as it approaches Regulus, Leo's brightest star, 3.0 degrees to the upper left. Use a binocular to see them. The speedy planet is beginning to overtake Earth. It passes between Earth and the Sun, moving toward its best pre-dawn view of the year. The gibbous moon, 96% illuminated, rises about 80 minutes after sundown. By 3 hours after sunset, it is 15 degrees up in the east and nearly 25 degrees to Saturn's upper right, cutting the distance over 10 degrees between them from this morning and tonight. Tomorrow morning, the moon is in the south-southwest and closer to Saturn. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.